Are you struggling with hair growth? Do you want to grow your hair fast and thicken it? Today I'm recommending one of my recipes to help you achieve your hair growth goals. This is one of my favorite leave-in treatment. This oil is infused with over 15 herbs. I also added some emulsifying wax, then I added some cetyl alcohol to help bind the oil and water phase together. I also added some cocoa butter. You can choose to use shea butter if that is what you have. So we're going to be melting all of this. Next, we're going to be adding our flaxseed gel. If you don't know how to make your flaxseed gel, let me know in the comment section. So now that we've melted everything, we're going to be introducing our flaxseed into our oil phase. Then we're going to be mixing for about 30 seconds. We're going to then allow it cool so it can thicken up a little bit. As you can see, it's still fluidy. So you can choose to refrigerate it for about 20 minutes to make it faster, or just let it sit. So we're going to be mixing for additional 30 seconds before adding the rest of our product. I will be adding my liquid Jamal Plus preservative. Yes, you need to add your preservative, else you're not going to have good shelf life for this. I also added my eucalyptus essential oil. You can choose any essential oil of your choice. You do not have to use the exact one that I am using. I also added some local fragrance to sweeten the smell. Then you're going to mix for additional 30 seconds and your butter is ready. This is one of the best hair growth products that actually works. I've seen significant improvement in my hair growth and thickness since I started using this product and treatment. My hair is stronger, healthier, and more manageable. A little backstory about my infused oil that I used in the beginning. This oil was infused with over 15 herbs to help target specific hair problems. Problems like hair loss, hair fall, hair breakages, hair thickening, darkening hair, treat dandruff, and many more. As usual, guys, I will always show you guys how I try to apply this to my hair. Always remember to massage the product into your scalp and into your hair strands. If you're carrying protective hairstyle, do not forget to massage the product into your hair, else you're not going to see results. Everything is just going to hang and it's not going to penetrate into your hair. Do not forget to apply it to your edges and massage it in as well. You can also apply some growth oil to lock in the moisture. Growing your hair fast and thickening it requires patience, dedication, and the right product. By following these tips and using the right product, you can achieve your hair growth goals. Thanks for watching, and do not forget to follow and like for more hair care tips and product reviews. Until next time, I will see you in my next video. Bye!